your solar system knowledge. First question. How many natural satellites does Earth have? 1, 2, or 3? Just one. It's the moon. How many planets are there in our solar system? 10, 9, or 8? Any ideas? That wasn't easy. What's the largest planet in our solar system? Neptune, Earth, or Jupiter? Jupiter. It can hold 1,300 times the Earth. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Venus, Earth, or Mercury? Mercury. Which galaxy are we in? The Milky Way, Andromeda, or Sombrero? The Milky Way. What's the name of this planet? Saturn, Uranus, or Jupiter? Saturn. You can easily recognize it by its rings. When the moon passes in front of the sun, is it a full moon, a solar eclipse, or a planetary conjunction? You've got this. A solar eclipse. Very good. How hot is the surfaces of the sun? 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, or 100,000 degrees Fahrenheit? Let's go! It's 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. What's the main component of Saturn's rings? Rock, ice, or dust? Saturn's rings are made up of 90% ice. Who said, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind"? Buzz Aldrin, Neil Armstrong, or Alan Shepard? It's Neil Armstrong, the first man to walk on the moon. Which constellation contains the North Star? The Big Dipper, Cassiopeia, or Ursa Minor? Ursa Minor. The sun is a planet, a star, or a galaxy? A star. Which planet is nicknamed the Red Planet? Mars, Jupiter, or Mercury? It's Mars. What was the first artificial satellite launched by humans? Explorer 1, Vanguard 1, or Sputnik 1? It was Sputnik 1, sent in 1957 by the USSR. Which mission took the first man to the moon? Apollo 13, Apollo 11, or Apollo 12? Apollo 11. How long does it take for sunlight to reach Earth? 8 seconds, 8 minutes, or 8 hours? Minutes. That wasn't easy. Who discovered that the Earth revolves around the sun? Nicholas Copernicus, Galileo, or Robert Boyle? Nicholas Copernicus. Which red supergiant star is visible to the naked eye from Earth? Betelgeuse, Antares, or Aldebaran? Betelgeuse. What gas mainly composes the atmosphere of Mars? Nitrous oxide, nitrogen, or carbon dioxide? Let's see if you can crack this one. Yes, it's carbon dioxide. How old is the Earth? 3.2 million years old, 4.5 billion years old, or 2.3 trillion years old? .5 billion years old. Which planet is nicknamed the Blue Planet? Earth. 70% of its surface is covered by water. What is the name of the robot currently on Mars? Curiosity, Perseverance, or R2-D2? That's Perseverance, designed to analyze planets in the solar system. What will the sun become after it runs out of fuel? A black hole, a white dwarf, or a supernova? It's a white dwarf. What is the Big Bang Theory about? Black holes, the origin of the universe, or an explosion? The origin of the universe. What is the speed of light in a vacuum? 1,000 kilometers per second, 120,000 kilometers per second, or 300,000 kilometers per second? It's 300,000 kilometers per second. Where is the largest volcano in the solar system? On Mars, on Earth, or on Venus? It's Olympus Mons on Mars, almost 3 times the height of Everest. Which planet is the brightest in the sky? Saturn, Mars, or Venus? Venus. What's the name of the ice dome that surrounds our solar system? The Kuiper Belt, the Oort cloud, or the asteroid belt? Well done, it's the Oort cloud. How many moons does Jupiter have? 6, 79, or 189? Who was the first dog sent into space? Laika, Belka, or Strelka? Good job, it's Laika. Who discovered Saturn's rings? Galileo, Nicholas Copernicus, or Claudius Ptolemy? Galileo. How often can we see Halley's Comet in the sky? Every 5 years, every 25 years, or every 75 years? Every 75 years, so we have to wait until 2061. Which is the hottest planet in the solar system? Mercury, Mars, or Venus? It's Venus, where the average temperature is 462 degrees. What's the name of the instrument used to observe stars? A stethoscope, a telescope, or binoculars? A telescope. Very good. Who was the first woman to travel into space? Valentina Tereshkova, Mae Jemison, or Anna Lee Fisher? It was Valentina Tereshkova on June 16, 1963. What's the average distance between the Earth and the Sun? 93,000 miles, 93 million miles, or 93 billion miles? 93 million miles. How far has man traveled into space? To Mars, to the Moon, or to Jupiter? The Moon. Who discovered the planet Uranus? Johannes Kepler, Galileo, or William Herschel? William Herschel. Which planet has the most moons? Venus, Uranus, or Saturn? It's Saturn with its 82 moons. What's the name of the closest galaxy to ours? The Andromeda Galaxy, the Sculptor Galaxy, or the Triangulum Galaxy? The Andromeda Galaxy. Very good.